Each morning offers you a choice to rush into the day on autopilot or to begin anchored in calm and strength. In this practice, we'll reconnect to our breath, restore inner balance, and gather the quiet confidence that transforms small moments into powerful acts of presence. I invite you to find a comfortable position, whether that's seated, your legs crossed beneath you, maybe you're standing. Whatever feels right to you right now. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, intentional breath in and release it with a sigh through your mouth. Allow yourself to arrive here fully in this present moment. Place your hands gently on your belly and inhale deeply, filling your body with fresh energy. Exhale fully, letting go of tension, fatigue, or lingering worries. Notice the subtle release, the softening of your shoulders, the loosening of your jaw. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, simply observing its flow. Don't judge, don't control, just notice. Now bring your attention to your feet. Feel the connection to the floor, solid and supported. Let a wave of calm rise from the soles up through your legs. And feel the calm continuing to rise upward. Sense it in your hips and your spine, up through your torso, and into your shoulders, down your arms, to your wrists, your hands, and into your fingers. Now move your hands to your heart. Place them there softly. Feel the warmth, the life, and the steady rhythm. And whisper quietly to yourself, I am grounded, I am aligned. Now scan your shoulders, your neck, and your face. Notice any place where you may be holding tension. And send this sense of calmness to each of those areas, even if softening just a little, creating space for more ease. With your hands still at your heart, begin to imagine a gentle light at the center of your chest. With each breath, it becomes brighter and bigger, radiating outward, creating a sense of warmth and calm energy within your body. Now picture yourself moving through your morning. Each task unfolds with clarity. Each choice rooted in balance. Hear the soft rhythm of your breath guiding each step. Smell the freshness of the morning air, the scent of coffee or tea, or the quiet earthiness around you. Feel textures, the softness of your clothing, the coolness of the countertop under your fingertips, the smoothness of your mug. Let these small sensations anchor you in present awareness. Whisper quietly or silently repeat, "I move through my day with intention and ease." As you're ready, gently float your eyes open or refocus your gaze, and notice the subtle glow of light around you. Observe the colors, the shadows, and the shapes without judgment. Just notice. Hear the sounds you might usually overlook. A distant bird, the crowing of a rooster, the hum of the refrigerator, the whisper of your own breath. Let these small moments remind you you are fully here, fully awake. Touch a surface near you. Feel its texture. And now stretch your arms lightly, sensing energy flow through your body. And repeat, "I am present. I am open to the magic of ordinary moments." Take a final grounding breath. Let your awareness settle in your heart. And ask yourself quietly, what intention will guide me through today? Let this question rest in your mind as a gentle guide, rather than a task to solve. And before you move fully into your day, consider journaling for a few minutes. What did you notice in your body and your surroundings? What does your center feel like now compared to before you began? If this meditation supported your morning, share your experience in the comments below. And please subscribe to the channel for more guided practices that nurture calm, clarity, and mindful presence. Carry a sense of curiosity and grace into the rest of your day. Thank yourself for these moments of care.